All right, so I got a haul video of a bunch of random pickups for the last couple weeks. Figured I'd show you guys some of them since I haven't done dedicated videos on some of these products. So let's go ahead and jump right into this massive haul. What is going on, guys? Hess here. Hopefully you're having a good day out there. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. I do this every now and then with these haul videos, but I got quite a few pickups. Some of them I am doing dedicated videos on, some of them I am not. Just depends, you know, I just don't have a lot of time to knock out all of these different reviews, but I wanted to show you guys at least some of the pickups that we got. So let's go ahead and get started over on this side. So I've had a major dry spot with Supreme. I haven't been able to buy anything. I had this issue where every time I try to buy something, it says like, we can't fulfill your order or something like that right now. So major shout out to Soul Savvy. I was actually able to cop this BOGO hoodie, which was nuts because it was a really small, dumb issue that on my end where my credit card address didn't match my like shipping address like to a T. Like literally there was a period in one of them and not in the other one. It was just like an oversight and accident, and that was causing a lot of issues. Any which way, I was able to get a BOGO, and I got the mustard color one, and I'm kind of stoked about it, man. It's just a rare W for me, never happens. I know a lot of you guys hit out there too because they had a little circle thing you had to do, which is pretty rad. I did get another pair of Wave sneakers, and I'm talking about these guys right here, the Prada Air Max 1s. This is the 4th colorway, so I actually have the entire set of these. So if you guys want, I'll do like a comparison between all 4 of them just side by side because they are a little bit different. This one has really weird material for the toe guard and the wave section in the front and the back. I'm not really sure I'm on board with it. To be 100% honest, I thought it was suede. So when I got these, it was kind of like underwhelming personally, just because I thought the materials are supposed to be nicer than what we got. But we got something different, which I guess, you know, some people like different as well. And I don't know, I just wish it was suede or something instead. Really dope colorway though, nice aged midsole on that one, and the 4th of 4 for the Prada collaborations. Got a pair here. I already showed you guys this one in a detailed review, but I do want to follow up because this is the Ultra Boost 22, and I know it looks like the 21. I pointed out some very small differences between the 22s and the 21. One of the things I noticed is the strobel's different, and I actually wanted to follow up and cut out the inner strobel, so it's literally just you and Boost. I'll be trying to do that video for you guys very soon. I just haven't got around to it quite yet. If you also missed it, I did a Union 1 video right here 3 years later. I can't believe it's been 3 years, and I actually got my hands on a pair of these. Shout out to Kicks World for sending these ones over, and this is actually one that I'm going to keep in my collection. Really dope pair. It feels like the Union 1s were a couple of years ahead of its time where like everything's like aged vintage sneakers, and like the Union 1s definitely took that on earlier on. I just did a review on these guys as well. If you missed it, the Gore-Tex Air Jordan 1s. These things are actually really good. Very shining review in my video if you guys missed it, but the waterproofness, if that's still a word or not, on these is actually really good, and it's the very first time that Jordan and Gore-Tex have worked together, so a really nice pair right here. And if you guys missed it, also, I did an unboxing of these already on the channel. Shout out to Jen, John, and Paul for gifting me this pair. This is the Monarch colorway, the first colorway that I missed out on at retail, and they actually gifted me these for Christmas time, so much appreciated. And because of you guys, I was able to complete the entire collection of these. I have the other 2, one of them back here and one of them on the floor. But yeah, man, these are incredible. I think this is definitely one of the best colorways of the waves. I think that the blue colorway, the aqua one, is still probably my favorite, but this is definitely one of the ones that I really like. So stoked to actually get these, and even better from a friend gift. Like, you can't go wrong with that. Oh yeah, so I finally hit on a pair of these. Again, shout out to Soul Savvy, man. They posted a link with their monitors, and like I was like, oh, they restocked, clicked it, checked out, and copped them. And this is a pair that I've been hunting for the majority of the year, and this is the New Balance 550s, and this is the orange colorway. As you can see, the one that I really wanted. I really like this colorway. With the height from Emilion Dore, like, this is one of the ones that I think has a trickle-down effect, and every single time these release, they sell out. So 550s, I think I'm going to be doing a review on these. If you guys want to see it, drop a like, drop a comment, let me know you guys would like to see it. But I did a review of the ALD 550s already. If you guys missed it on my channel, go check it out. But definitely one that I wanted to get, and nice that they got the orange colorway in right here for myself. Next up, we have something I'm super stoked about because this was an unexpected gift. I actually just went on vacation to Arizona with the family, and I came back to a pair of these, which honestly, this is such a fire colorway. It's like a khaki green colorway, they call it, but it has like a white and off-white outsole here, a milky cage on the side, black laces with alternate blue laces, little bit of brown on the Adidas and Pharrell logo on the back, as well as on that rubberized section in the front here. But really, check out that BBC dog right there in the front. Love the way that this was put together. This is the second one like this that was released, and this colorway is super dope. And so thank you to Pharrell and Adidas Originals, Mimi, and everybody over there that made this happen and sent me a pair of these over. I can't believe I'm still on like some sort of a seating list where they send me some cool stuff, and it's really fun to be able to have those type of relationships and just people that are looking out for you. So much appreciated. Thank you guys for sending these over. I wanted to do a detailed review of these as well because they deserve it, but I haven't had time yet. If you guys do want to see a detailed review of these, again, drop a like, leave some comments, let me know that you guys want to see it. And I don't know if it's worth pulling them out of the boxes, but I did double up on the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays. So I did a review of these already, and the materials on here are actually much nicer than I anticipated. My son actually wore his pair for the first time on his 6th birthday. He wore them to school. I like made him do it. I was like, dude, you gotta wear these for your birthday. Cool gray Jordan 11s, Michael Jordan, greatest NBA player of all time. And every time Harrison sees that Jumpman logo, he's like, oh, it looks like Mario jumping. It's hilarious. But anyway, he wore them to school, just destroyed them. Super muddy. At the end of the day, I'm happy that he wore them. But I did double up on a pair of those. And I actually hit on a pair of these at Hibbett Sports, which is really ironic because I actually gave up my like gifted pair of sneakers for December because I wanted to go ahead and do a giveaway with you guys, which I did. And I gave away $1,000 in gift cards for Hibbett Sports. Had 5 winners, $200 gift cards each. And then, lo and behold, I actually ended up hitting on a pair myself from Hibbett Sports. So I think that's like part of sneaker karma right there. Even though I didn't get these for free, I'm really happy I was able to give back a little bit and give away that $1,000 to you guys with Hibbett Sports support. All right, moving on, we got double unboxing here. 2 pairs that I haven't posted yet. I don't know if you guys will see it before you guys see this whole video, but man, Sacai Cause joints right here. Like these 2 first colorways, but is it going to be the saving grace for the model? I don't think so. That model is just a rough one, man. Not a lot of people seem to be loving this model, including myself, so it is what it is. Happy I was able to hit on a couple pairs of them, though. Pretty easy to do off of Cause's website. Got one that you guys probably have not seen before. This is from No Two Ways. They actually sent me over one of their pairs. And this is a pretty cool box here as well, but this is like an original shoe from this company, NTW, No Two Ways. And it looks really cool, man. I love the knit upper on here. It's like a big rugged outsole. And all in all, like it's a nice execution on a model with an original concept and design underway. The color blocking is really solid too, little minor accents of color. But the mesh upper and the overlays is nice with the laces. It's just a unique looking shoe and definitely one that I appreciate them for sending this one over. So if you haven't heard of them, go check them out on Instagram, No Two Ways. This is ridiculous, but we're getting to the end of it here. I got a dunk here that I did not expect to get. I actually hit on a pair of these gold rods or golden rods. I don't know what they're calling these ones. They look like Wu-Tangs to me, but this is a pair that I hit on, and which means I paid an elevated price because of the shipping, and they always upcharge over there. So I think it was like $145 shipped or something like that. But this color blocking is really, really clean. I know the dunk wave has been going up and down. It depends obviously on the colorway, and if it's a general release. This is a general release. No SB branding or anything like that. It's a great colorway and one that I was actually pretty stoked that I got. And I've been following all the releases of the dunks every single week. So I got this one actually a couple weeks ago before the actual US drop. I just didn't even show you guys. I probably should have gone on that team early wave, but I didn't do it. Any which way, I did get a pair and I do like this colorway. So next up, we have a pair of Adidas here. And this is one that I am going to be doing a review on soon. You guys haven't seen it yet, but we have the cold.rdy 22s already. This is nuts, man, because we just had the cold.rdy 21s. I just did a review on those ones. Now we have the cold.rdy 22s along with the Adidas Ultra Boost 22s, which I did a video on. So I have a video of these coming. Really nice looking model, really nice looking colorway. Kind of a bit expensive, but I do like that Continental winter grip on the bottom. They're not water resistant, which is kind of a miss in my opinion, but it is cold ready, which means that they have like a warmer insulation in the shoe. But any which way, I'll have a detailed review of these coming to you guys. So check back on the channel. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I'm having to get pretty creative stacking these guys up here. Bloop. Brah. Next one in hand, this is from Kicks World, and this is the New Balance Stone Island collaboration. This is that RC Elite model, which is super nice. Really, really soft, squishy midsole with the fuel cell. I mean, this one is next level squish, so I think this is going to surprise a lot of people that are into that Stone Island wave and like that lifestyle side of New Balance. But this is like their technology side with the running side, and very, very good stuff. Something I've been telling you guys about all year, last year as well, and something I can't wait to see more of. I think that New Balance and Stone Island need to do a lifestyle release as well. But I love the fact that they're promoting the technology a bit as well, because it is really that good. Definitely worth checking out, and something, again, that I've been on that wave for a little bit now, and I'm happy to keep that wave riding, because New Balance has had some amazing stuff with the Fuel Cell and the Fresh Foam X lines. So excited to see them get some love in the collaboration space with Stone Island. We got the next 2 pairs from East Bay, which is super dope that they sent over these. Shout out to Jonathan and East Bay for sending them over. But this is a pair that I've been wanting to get in hand. So I actually ended up buying a pair of these in a different colorway, and then they sent me a pair over. But this is one that I was really excited to review, and it's one that you guys can expect on the channel pretty soon. It's been out for a little while, but I finally am checking them out. This is that Asics Nova Blast 2 with that Fresh Foam Blast midsole, and it is very, very soft and squishy, and there's a lot of science and like math going into this midsole, because it's pretty crazy the way the heel to toe transition works on these things. Very, very good model, especially that $130 price point. Can't really beat that as well. So, and speaking of East Bay, they sent over these Brooks as well, which was super cool. This is the Brooks Adrenaline GTS 22, which honestly, I haven't tried this model in the past. I've tried a couple other Brooks models and they're pretty comfortable. This one is pretty good though, man. As soon as you put these on, there's definitely like a really nice pillowy feel underfoot. So excited to give you guys a review of these as well from a casual perspective, because you know, I'm always hunting the soft, squishy, like comfortable sneakers, and running sneakers primarily have the best stuff on the market. So I've been exploring a lot of them, done a lot of comfort videos through the years, and excited to keep doing those more in 2022. But both of these 2 shoes are really, really comfortable, and I will be doing like a top 10 most comfortable sneaker list for 2021, and it's likely that one, if not both of these, are going to be on that list. So moving on to the last pair, something I just did a review on my channel. This is the Adidas Adistar, which is a new Adidas model that features a repetitor foam midsole that's definitely very different. It's not soft and squishy like Boost. It has a roller motion. I did a review though, if you guys want to go check it out. They look pretty cool, definitely chunky, like future dad vibes sort of thing going on here. But $130 is the price point on these normally, and that is the last pair that I wanted to show you guys that I got recently. Hopefully you guys are having a good holiday out there, and I appreciate y'all for stopping by and watching. Check back soon, because I will be doing some detailed reviews on some of these products out here. And in fact, if you guys want to leave a comment in the comment section which products you want to see detailed reviews on, please go ahead and leave those comments, and then I will check it out, and hopefully I'll get to creating, because I have a lot of work to do. Anyway, have a good holiday. Hopefully we'll see you guys back for some more videos. All right, peace guys.